Third question in our 5 questions a day series is benzene and divar benzene are, you are given two structures, benzene, divar benzene, and asked what is the relationship between the two. So A is canonical forms, B is structural isomers, C is tautomers, D is conformational isomers. So canonical forms is basically they are, if they are resonating structures. So looking at these two, you can simply say that they are not resonating structures. So A is not the right answer. B is structural isomers. So what is structural isomers? For this we are going to look at one example and then you can say if they are structural isomers or not. So this is a very easy example, CH2 OH. We have this one molecule. Second is CH3 CH2 O CH3. So you can look at these two structures. This has C 1 2 3 3 C H 3 5 6 7 8. This has 3 C3 H 3 5 6 3 5 6 7 8 H8 and O. Look at these two structures. They have same number of atoms but they are connected differently, so they are different compounds. And this you can see for these two as well. This is C6H6 and look at this dibarbenzene. This is also C6H6. So B is the correct option, which is that they are structural isomers. Now tautomers. How does tautomers look like? So this is how tautomers look like. In one of the compounds you have H double bond O, this. So this is how tautomers look like, and nothing like this is happening here. So they are not tautomers. We already have our right answer, but we are still looking at the other options so that if anything else is asked, you can see if it is the right answer or wrong answer. Conformational isomers, well, they are like this. You might have seen these structures like this, CS3, H, 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 H. Now we can move this bond. This is a single bond. We can rotate it, and upon rotating this, we are going to get different conformations, and those structures, resulting structures, will be called conformational isomers of each other. So these two are not conformational isomers, they are structural isomers.